Supper. We were making creamy shells and Italian sausage pasta, but we don't have shells. We have bow ties, so we're making a creamy bow tie and Italian sausage. I've got a pound of Italian sausage in there, and I'm going to put half a pound of ground beef in there with it. Cece's going to be mixing that together while I chop up a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and an onion. Let's see, Cece, you know what I think we'll do? Let's switch you to over here.
Yeah.
This is done. We'll just scoot it to the back. You can slide that right over there. There you go. We've got almost a whole block of cream cheese. It's just a little bit less. I used it, like 1 ounce of it, to make some ice cream a week ago. I think it was about a week ago. And we have some grated Parmesan and this 4-cheese blend here. Those are the cheeses that we're going to use, and I also have mozzarella if we need it. We'll see how cheesy it is once we get all that put in there. As I chop these peppers and onion, I'm just going to put it right over there in the pan with the sausage and ground beef. I think that I only need half of this onion. We're just going to do half of it. It was a pretty big one. The onions. Oops, there were no peppers. We have some garlic bread too that I'm going to put in the oven. Let me go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. We're going to put that garlic bread in there for just about 5 to 7 minutes. We'll let it cook for about 5 and then toast the top of it for a couple of minutes. This is all cooked in the skillet, so we're not going to have to transfer it to anything to go in the oven. Why are we not surprised, Sissy?
Because he eats cheese all
We are not even surprised about him being hungry for cheese. I think I'm going to save that piece of red and green pepper there too. Those were also pretty big. Okay, let me wash this real quick. He's on the hunt for cheddar cheese. Let's see how it's going over here. Cece said she thinks it's almost done and took off. I'm going to go ahead and drain it, and we'll start adding in the cheese. You know what? I'm making a little bit more than the original recipe. We may need to put ours in something else. We'll try it. If we see it's going to overflow, we'll transfer it to a casserole dish.
Can I spread some cheese?
Which kind of cheese you got?
We don't have any more, so I was talking about this kind.
Oh, you want some of that kind?
Uh-huh.
Bethany said her favorite animal is a pig.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put in the cream cheese first. I'm just going to slice it into little pieces. That way it'll melt a little bit faster. Now, this mild Italian sausage already has lots of flavor. So I don't think I'm going to have to put any like Italian seasoning or anything like that. Should be good. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in the 4-blend cheese. Now I'm going to get my lid out, put it on for just a minute to really melt down that cream cheese. We'll give it a good stir and then add in this lid doesn't fit this exactly, but it'll work. We'll give it a good stir and then put in the pasta. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some more Parmesan on top. We'll let this simmer for just a minute. I'm going to run out there and see if I have some basil. When the bread gets done, we'll be ready to eat. kids are already tasting it and loving it. Titus isn't home yet, so we're the taste testers tonight. Tyler said it's like next level hamburger helper, whatever flavor. It is really good, really creamy, really cheesy. It's great. Again. We were going to get the eggs, but I think it might be raining.
Just on that side, but not on this side.
Oh, you don't think it's raining on that side of the yard?
Rain actually comes from this side. And like no rain from this side.
No rain from that side? Look up. You see anything that might be stopping the rain? There's a tree on that side. I'm surprised the chickens haven't gone back up since oh, there goes Miss Turkey. They're going up now. I think it's starting to rain harder. Oh, a leaf just fell. That's encouraging. I'm coming, Manny. Y'all better go up, girls and Roosty.
No.
You get the eggs, I'll get the food, okay?
Okay. Done.
Somebody took my cup out of here. Oh wait, it's up under there. I found it. Yay! Good night, Roosty. I'll hear you in the morning. Why did Jonah leave a shirt out here and a horse picture?
No, that was me when I got sprayed out with water.
Oh, okay. Where'd you put the eggs?
Oh, they're inside.
Okay.
Mom, you know, eggs get water on them, actually, they get moldy. And that's what will happen. But if you dry them quickly, yeah.
Yeah.
And if you see, if they float quickly, yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna make some more of these peanut butter yogurt ice cream things. So we have just some whole milk Greek vanilla yogurt. I don't know how much he mixed, so he's gonna come show us that part. And we're gonna put some coconut flakes in just a few of them. And I gotta get the maple syrup.
Y'all, this is really simple. I didn't come up with this right here. This is something I saw on YouTube, but you know, I want to show y'all what I saw. And now we all gonna know how to do it. You know,
Right.
This is not just for a few, this is for the whole world to
Right.
get involved
The whole
in.
world.
It's pretty good. So that's 32 ounces right here. So we're going in with 32
Oh,
ounces.
you did the whole thing?
Should we, Mama?
I think just maybe,
Folks, we're going in with half this.
yeah, just enough for this pan. Now, how much peanut butter? He also used
Peanut.
natural,
I use
just
natural.
peanuts, peanut butter. This time we're using Jif.
Yes, we are. As we know, the Lord is pleased with Jif.
Yes.
A big spoon of Jif peanut butter right here.
Is that as much as you're gonna put?
I don't know, Mama. This is gonna be to taste, y'all.
Okay.
You really want to taste
I'm just
that?
gonna try to give them an estimated measurement.
Okay,
here.
that's enough right there. How much?
Close to
we going?
half a cup.
Half cup.
Yeah, about
Half
half
a
a cup. So, 16 ounces of Greek vanilla yogurt, half a cup of peanut butter.
Yep. Clean your finger. Okay, now we're gonna mix it up.
If we make these for y'all at the bed and breakfast, he will wash it instead
Yes,
of that.
I'll give you my word on that.
It's gonna happen one day, y'all, that bed and breakfast.
Oh my goodness.
Mixing that yogurt and peanut butter looks like ice cream, y'all. It's
Oh.
amazing.
It really is.
Show it to him, Daddy.
Yeah, I will. It's a beautiful thing, really.
And when it gets covered in that chocolate, it's like a Klondike bar. I was
Yeah.
very surprised.
Yeah, I gotta be honest with you, I was too.
Now, how much maple syrup do you put?
Very delicious. To taste, we're gonna,
You put it in, and I'll tell him how much you put in.
Okay,
'cause
y'all.
I can kind of eyeball what you do here.
all right, so we're
'Cause
going
I
in
didn't see what he did yesterday.
that much.
About a tablespoon.
Okay, going in with a tablespoon right there. Now we're
16 ounces of the yogurt, half a cup of peanut butter, tablespoon of maple syrup.
Y'all gonna be very surprised when you eat this. Now I'm telling you, it's gonna be really good.
And you can use any kind of chocolate. It doesn't have to be dark chocolate. We've really been liking dark chocolate.
Now let's dip it out
Dollop
on
it
there.
on, okay. Oh wait, do a few without the coconut,
Yeah,
and then we'll add
I
these
think we
in.
had the coconuts on the, you know, we
Just
are gonna
about-
do just a few with the coconut.
Yeah. These down here have the coconut. These last ones on the bottom. 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll remember the end with the 5 is is the coconut. Okay, it's going in the freezer.
Just gonna pop these back in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Folks, this is just a real quick presentation.
It looks like lumps of coal.
Look here. Use your imagination. You gotta really think on this one.
Look at that. I mean, it's just like
That's
a Klondike
really
bar.
amazing how that turns out, and I bet you that's gonna be really good.
Mm-hmm.